Marriage is a journey of love and faith. What do you think is the most essential quality in a spouse? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Marriage is a sacred bond, a union of two souls striving together toward Allah's pleasure. In Islam, this bond is not just about companionship. It's a responsibility, a foundation for building a family, and a means of strengthening faith. Choosing the right partner is critical to achieving harmony, happiness, and ultimately, success in both this world and the hereafter. But what makes someone the right partner? Today, we'll explore the characteristics every Muslim man should seek in a wife, based on timeless guidance from the Quran and Sunnah. 1. Piety and righteousness, the cornerstone of a strong marriage. When it comes to choosing a wife, the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, provided clear advice. A woman is married for four things: her wealth, her lineage, her beauty, and her piety. Choose the pious one, and you will succeed. This wisdom highlights the importance of prioritizing a woman's relationship with Allah above all else. A pious woman serves as a moral compass for her family, raising children with faith and values and supporting her husband in staying on the straight path. But what does it mean to be pious? True righteousness goes beyond appearances. It's not merely about wearing a niqab or hijab. While modest dress is important, true piety is reflected in actions, praying consistently and on time, fasting during Ramadan and maintaining voluntary fasts, speaking kindly, and treating others with respect, upholding honesty and integrity in every aspect of life. A pious woman is a blessing, not just for her husband, but for the entire family and community. 2. Modesty and chastity, protecting the sanctity of the home. Another key quality is modesty, a virtue deeply valued in Islam. The Prophet, peace be upon him, described women of hell as those who lack modesty, exposing their bodies and behaving indecently. A modest wife brings dignity and respect to the family. She guards her chastity, avoids inappropriate interactions, and carries herself with grace. Her actions reflect her understanding of the sacred role she plays in preserving the moral fabric of the household. 3. Contentment and gratitude, the hallmark of a good wife. One of the most underrated yet vital qualities in a wife is contentment. Life is full of challenges, but a content and grateful partner can turn trials into opportunities for growth and gratitude. Consider the story of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, visiting his son Ismail, peace be upon him. When Ibrahim met Ismail's first wife, she complained about their difficult life, scarce food, limited water, and her husband's frequent absence. Ibrahim advised Ismail to change his doorstep, signifying that she was unfit to be his partner. Later, Ismail married a second wife, who, despite facing the same challenges, expressed gratitude and praised Allah for their blessings. Ibrahim praised her attitude, advising Ismail to preserve his doorstep. This story teaches us that a grateful wife not only brings peace to the home, but also strengthens her husband's faith and determination. 4. Obedience and mutual respect, a foundation for harmony. Obedience, when rooted in love and respect, becomes a source of harmony in marriage. The Prophet, peace be upon him, described a righteous wife as one who listens to her husband's guidance and works with him to maintain a peaceful home. However, obedience does not mean blind submission or oppression. It is balanced with mutual respect, kindness, and shared responsibilities. A good husband values his wife's opinions and ensures her well-being, while a good wife supports her husband in matters that align with Islamic principles. A wife who respects her husband's leadership and decisions creates an environment of trust and partnership, essential for a successful marriage. 5. A holistic perspective. Beyond superficial traits. While qualities like beauty, wealth, and lineage are often desired, they should not overshadow the deeper attributes that truly matter. A holistic approach means looking at the whole person, their faith, character, and values. True beauty lies in the heart. Wealth comes and goes, and family lineage does not guarantee righteousness. A woman who practices her faith sincerely, treats others with kindness, and remains steadfast in her duties to Allah is the greatest treasure a man can have. Marriage in Islam is more than a contract. It is a partnership built on love, faith, and mutual support. Choosing the right life partner is one of the most important decisions a man will ever make, and it must be done with wisdom and foresight. When a man chooses a wife with piety, modesty, gratitude, and respect, he not only builds a strong home, but also invests in his akhirah, hereafter. Remember, a righteous wife is described as one of the greatest blessings a man can have in this life. Marriage is a journey that requires patience, faith, and commitment. If you found this guide helpful, share it with someone preparing for this beautiful chapter of life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspirational content. And remember, when you choose faith, you choose success.